Are you struggling with hair loss that just won't stop? Is your hair plateaued, never growing past a certain length? Have you tried everything with zero results? Welcome to Top Natural Recipes. Today we're revealing the single most powerful ancient secret recommended by countless dermatologists: onion juice. Yes, the humble onion. Don't let the name or the smell fool you. This is not just a quick recipe. We're diving deep into the science of onion juice, how its potent sulfur content directly stimulates hair follicles and stops your hair from shedding. Most importantly, we'll show you the wrong way to make it, which makes it useless, and the precise correct way to eliminate the smell to get hair longer than you imagined in under 30 days. Why does onion juice work? The magic lies in its highly concentrated dietary sulfur. When applied topically, it improves blood circulation, delivers vital nutrients directly to the follicles, and has proven antibacterial properties to fight scalp issues. Now the correct step-by-step preparation. You'll need 1 large onion, a knife, a blender, and a strainer. PRO tip: do not add water to the blender. This is the common mistake that dilutes the sulfur. We need the pure, undiluted onion extract for maximum results. The secret to eliminating the smell is the biggest reason people quit, but the solution is simple. Add 1 teaspoon of honey or fresh lemon juice to your extract. These ingredients actually boost the effectiveness while neutralizing the strongest odors. The proper application technique. This juice must be applied only to a dry, clean scalp, not to your hair strands. Use the spray bottle for precise application, then gently massage for 5 full minutes to maximize blood circulation. Leave it on for 30 minutes only. Amazing before and after results. Here are some transformations from our community after consistently using this method for just 4 weeks. Remember, results vary, but consistency is the absolute key to success. Let us know your results in the comments. If you want more powerful natural remedies like rosemary oil or clove water, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Watch our next video for the rosemary oil recipe that's generating massive growth.